In this video, we are going to see how to use Firefox browser and add-on in Puppeteer. So let's start by creating a basic add-on for Firefox. So we'll have a manifest file and we can create the basic structure like name, testing only, and description, and manifest version will be 30, and we can load a simple pop-up. So default pop-up will be pop-up, and we can get that file. Sorry. Okay. Either. So let's see this, and now we'll install the Puppeteer. So let's install it. Npm install Puppeteer. This will take some moment, so let's just wait until it's installed. We can manually create our file where we will write the code. So let's say root, something like that, and okay, this is done. We can initiate the package. And here we'll sense the module type to view, and here we can input Puppeteer from Puppeteer core, and now we can create the browser. So Puppeteer launch. Here we will specify the Firefox exe path. So here we declare a constant variable for Firefox path. So you must need to specify the Firefox executable path here. Okay, then we need the headless. This will be false, so we can see the browser. Now we need to specify on which browser it will be. So this will be Firefox, and now we have the argument, and I can do the like this. So profile, and we can name any profile here like a testing only, and now we'll have our page. So browser, new page, and page away is go to any URL here. and here we will need to specify the Firefox executable path. So let's so go to your C drive, then program files, and here you'll find the Firefox, like Mozilla Firefox, and here is another okay. So as you can see, I also have installed the Firefox developer edition. So you must need to install any one of the Firefox version. So I will test on the Firefox developer edition. That's why I will copy this Firefox executable path, and so you can click here and copy as a path, then go to here and paste it like this, then then add an extra backslash here. Okay, so maybe now we are good to go to test code. So let's run root, and as you can see, we got an error, but we have successfully created our profile directory. So we have an issue here, as you can see, and we need to await. Let's see now. Okay, here we can see it says browser not found. So here we made another mistake. Okay, now it should okay, as you can see, the browser just opened and closes instantly. So here we need to make to write await here, and now let's run again, and now you can see it's successfully running.